Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Bluetooth device which is not working or doesn't have any on and off button in your Windows. So let's get started. So the very first step is you need to open Run. Now how we can do that, you can simply press Windows and R key together, or you can do a right click here at the start icon and scroll up, then select Run. The moment you click that, the small window will appear. Here you need to type for devmgmt.msc, then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you click on that, this device manager window will appear. Here you need to expand it to see more, and then you need to go for Bluetooth. Okay, so I can see here Bluetooth next to batteries. Next is you need to click this forward arrow here to see all the Bluetooth device present in your computer. Okay, now here's the thing, you need to select your Bluetooth device, and the moment you select that, do a right click and go for properties. Okay, and this new window will appear. You can see here different sections. It goes with general, driver, details, and events. In this manner, you need to go for driver and go for uninstall device. Okay, here you need to click on uninstall, and once done, just have to restart your computer and check if your Bluetooth is working again. Okay, so I will not uninstall my Bluetooth device because it will make my mouse not working. So basically, I will not uninstall that. And let's say if your Bluetooth device is not working, then go back to this window, and this time you need to go for action, which is next to file. Okay, here you need to scroll down and go for scan for hardware changes. Just simply tap that, and the moment you tap that, just have to check your Bluetooth device if it's working again. Okay, so if it's working for you, then good. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to open our troubleshooters. So just simply close this window, and this time type settings at the bottom search bar, then click on open to continue. So once you're being redirected here at the settings, at the search icon at the left side of your screen, type troubleshoot. And this troubleshoot settings will appear. Just simply click that to continue and go for other troubleshooter. Simply click this forward arrow and locate the Bluetooth by simply scrolling down. Okay, so I can see here Bluetooth next to background intelligent transfer service. Okay, just simply click on run, and mostly troubleshooters, Windows 11 troubleshooters work effectively. Okay, so once done running this troubleshooters, you just have to simply restart your computer and relaunch your Windows again and check if your Bluetooth device is working. And let's say if it's working again, then good for you. Okay. So that's it. That's how easy to fix your Bluetooth device. If these steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.